Feeling sexy is a deeply personal and empowering experience for women. It's not just about physical appearance, it's also about confidence, self-assurance, and emotional connection. If you want to make a woman feel sexy, it goes beyond compliments and superficial gestures. In this article, we'll explore 5 meaningful ways to help a woman feel sexy, appreciated, and confident. 1. Compliment her sincerely. Compliments can go a long way in boosting a woman's self-esteem and making her feel sexy. However, it's important to offer sincere compliments that highlight her unique qualities. Instead of just focusing on her physical appearance, try to appreciate her intelligence, sense of humor, or any special talents she possesses. When a woman feels valued for who she is as a person, it can make her feel incredibly sexy. 2. Show affection through physical touch. Physical affection is a powerful way to make a woman feel desired and sexy. This doesn't always have to be overtly sexual, it can be as simple as holding hands, hugging, or cuddling. These acts of intimacy can create a sense of connection and reassure her of your attraction. Be attentive to her cues and boundaries to ensure that your physical affection is welcomed and comfortable for both of you. 3. Create a romantic atmosphere. Setting the mood with a romantic atmosphere can ignite passion and make a woman feel incredibly sexy. Plan a special date night at home or a surprise getaway to a romantic destination. Use soft lighting, soothing music, and thoughtful gestures like scattering rose petals or preparing her favorite meal. The effort you put into creating a romantic ambience will not go unnoticed, and it can make her feel like the most alluring person in the world. 4. Engage in meaningful conversation. Intellectual connection can be incredibly sexy. Engaging in deep, meaningful conversations can stimulate a woman's mind and make her feel valued. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, dreams, and opinions. Ask open-ended questions, listen attentively, and engage in thoughtful discussions. When she knows that you appreciate her intellect, it can boost her self-confidence and make her feel sexier than ever. 5. Support her self-care and self-expression. Encouraging a woman to prioritize self-care and self-expression can significantly boost her self-esteem and make her feel sexy. Support her in pursuing her passions, hobbies, and personal interests. Encourage her to take time for self-care activities, whether it's a spa day, a yoga class, or simply unwinding with a good book. When she feels supported and empowered to be herself, it can enhance her confidence and sense of sexiness. Conclusion. Making a woman feel sexy isn't just about superficial compliments or physical attraction, it's about fostering a deep sense of appreciation, connection, and confidence. By complimenting her sincerely, showing affection, creating a romantic atmosphere, engaging in meaningful conversation, and supporting her self-care and self-expression, you can help a woman feel incredibly sexy and cherished. Remember that every person is unique, so it's essential to communicate openly with your partner to understand her preferences and boundaries, ensuring that your efforts are always respectful and consensual.